sumusuporta. Thank you so much, di namin kayo nakakalimutan. First game, Pook Loting versus Fratello. Fratello got their own ball. Number 9, easy 2 points. Cheldibar, dribbling. Pass to Lim. Lim. 2. Number 6, one like the Brun. Nice pass. 2 points for Brun. Lim. Dribbling. Pass to Lubal. To Saldivar. Saldivar. 3-pointer is good. Saldivar. One. Turn over. Pook floating ball.
Pare, dagaw.
Lubal. To Marcelo. To Lim. Lim. 3-pointer. This is it. It's good. 3. Puante, dribbling, pass to Brun. Brun. 2. Number 20. Fakes, the reverse layup is good. Barha, 2 points. Lubal to Saldivar, back to Lubal. Lubal to Marglaki, 2 points. Brun. Pook floating ball. 2-point lead for Pook floating. Our official score is 8-6. Lubal dribbling. Lubal to Lim. Lim, 3-pointer again. No good. Rebounded by Saldivar. Saldivar fakes to Lim. Lim, 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Matias. Pass to Brun. One 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Lim. Lim to Nubal. Nubal running. Nubal. Pass to Maglaki. Back to Nubal. Nubal. 2-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Alvin. De La Paz being defended by Nubal. De La Paz to Puante. 14 seconds to shoot. Puante to De La Paz. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz layup is good. 2 points. Lubal to Lim. Lim. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo. No good. Rebound by De La Paz. Steal by Saldivar. Saldivar to Maglaki. Being defended by De La Paz. Jump shot is good for Maglaki. Puante. Deep pass, but Brun got the ball. Brun. Midi. No good. Saldivar got the ball. Saldivar being defended by Puante. Pass to Lim. Lim to the wall. Deep pass, but the ball got the ball to Maglaki. Maglaki got fouled. Foul number 17. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Maglaki. First free throw is good for Maglaki. Second free throw is good for Maglaki. Both free throws are good. 4-point lead for Pook floating. Puante to Barha. Barha. Floater is good. 2 points. Barha. Maglaki to Lubal. Lubal to Saldivar. Fakes. Saldivar running. Saldivar to Maglaki. 2 points. Assist by Saldivar. Kick out to Brun. Turn over Fratello. Both teams, pakiayos po ng inyong tackling. Both teams. Thank you so much. Any accessories, mga earrings, necklace, pakitanggal po para tuloy-tuloy ang laban. Thank you so much. Deep pass, but Lim got the ball. Lim spins, Lim! Turnover. Puante got the ball. Puante on the attack. No good. Rebounded by Nubal. Nubal being defended by Brun. Nubal. Jumper. No good. Marcelo got the rebound. Second chance opportunity is good for Marcelo. 6-point lead for Pahok loading. Puante to De La Paz. De La Paz fakes. De La Paz got blocked by Marcelo. Great D. Zaldibar to Lim. Lim. Wide open, three-pointer. No good. Puante got the rebound. Puante to De La Paz. De La Paz. Back to Puante. Puante. Layup is good. 2 points. Both teams change 5. De La Paz to Castillo. Castillo dribbling down the ball. Castillo to Cruz. Cruz. No good. 3-pointer by number 18. Number 91. Pass to Brun. Brun. Midi. No good. Matias got the rebound, but no good. To Cruz. Cruz. Open lay is good. 2 points. Injury time out. Rar.
Konti lang na-injure. Ready.
Tria to Brun. Brun. To Baligat. Baligat back to Brun. 14 seconds to shoot. To Bara. Bara. Attacking. Bara. Nioyo but no good. Tria got the rebound. Blocked by Dizon. What a menace on the paint. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Same ball. Matias to Maligat. Maligat. Midi. No good. Matias. No good again. De La Paz get the rebound. De La Paz. To Castillo. Castillo. Deep pass. Same ball. Number 18, no good. Brun. Long 3-pointer. No good. Pedrano got the rebound. Pedrano. To Castillo. Castillo to Cruz. Back to Castillo. Castillo wide open 3-pointer. No good. Tambi got the rebound. Bara to Brun. 1-2 punch is good. 2 points for Brun. 4-point lead for Pahok loading. Cruz. To Castillo, Midi, no good. Tria got the rebound. Tria to Brun. Brun to Maligat. Maligat surveying the deep pass to Matias. Matias! 3 points, no good. Dizon got the rebound. Pass to Castillo, pass to Cruz. Cruz to De La Paz. To Pedrano to Castillo. Banks it in. It's good. 2 points. Castillo. Great connection by Pahok loading. Bara to Maligat. Maligat to Matias. Matias jumper is good. Easy 2 points for Matias. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano being defended by Bara. Pass to De La Paz. 2 points. Great pass. Great clock. Bara. Bara attacking to Brun. Brun, wide 3-pointer is good. Brun, 3 points. His first 3 in this quarter. Cruz, 2-pointer. No good. Maligat with the rebound. Maligat to Bara. Bara running. Bara attacking. Bara. Layup is good. 2 points. 2-point lead. Correction, 1-point lead for Pahok loading. Cruz. Cruz to De La Paz. De La Paz to Castillo, back to Cruz. Cruz, wide open, three-pointer, no good. Dison with the rebound. It's good, 2 points. Put back rebound. Brun to Barra. Barra spins. Barra attacks. Barra. Layup no good, but got fouled. Foul number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Barra. First free throw is good for Barra. Both free throws are good for Barra. Good. To Pedrano. Pedrano, 1-2. No good. Matias got the ball, pass to Brun. Got fouled. Foul number 77. First personal foul. Second team foul. Timeout, Pratelo. Our official score is 24-23. 1 point lead for Bohawk Clothing. Remaining time is 1 minute and 13 seconds. Back to the ball game. Barha to Maligat. Maligat fakes. Maligat. 1-2 pass to Matias. Matias on the paint. Still. Pedrano dribbling. Pedrano with the turnover. Great D by Brun. Brun to Barha. Back to Brun. Brun to Maligat. Maligat, Dambi. No good. Castillo, steal by Brun. 40 seconds. Brun to Barra. Barra attacking. 1-2. Layup no good. Tria with the rebound. Tria. Second chance opportunity is good. 2 points. Pratelo got their first lead by 1 point. Cruz to Castillo. Castillo. No good. Back shot, no good. Tria with the rebound. Pass to Matias. Matias kick out to Brun. Brun. Layup is good by Brun. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Foul number 9. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2.5 seconds remaining. Pedrano, kick out to Castillo. Castillo got blocked by Barra. Great D. End of our first quarter. Pratelo ending the first quarter by a 3-point lead. Official score is 27-24. Start of the second quarter. Aurelio to Nubal. Nubal back to Aurelio. Aurelio to Maglaki. Maglaki sidestep jumper is good. 2 points for Maglaki. Puante dribbling down the ball. Puante to Brun. Back to Puante. Puante from downtown. No good. Aurelio with the rebound. in, but outside. Aurelio to Nubal. Nubal to Lim. Lim, corner, three-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Tria. Tria running. Tria attacking. Save. Brun got the ball. 2 points for Brun. Nubal. To Aurelio. Back to Nubal. To Lim. Lim. To Maglaki. Maglaki. Deep pass. Tria got the ball. Tria spins. Pass to Brun. 1v1 situation. Brun. Layup no good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio running. Being defended by Brun. Aurelio to Lim. Lim. 3 points is good by Lim. Tie game. Official score is all 29. Puante to De La Paz. De La Paz attacking. Pia got the ball, no good. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo to Nubal. Nubal. Being defended by Tria. Nubal to Lim. Lim 3-pointer again. No good. Lim back. No good again. Tria to De La Paz. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz fakes. De La Paz. 2 points. Great fake by De La Paz. Aurelio to Nubal. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio to Maglaki. To Lim. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim. Jumper. No good. Tria with the rebound. Pass to Brun. Brun to Puante. Puante attacking. Puante. Loader is good to point. Timeout for Ocoloti. Fratello got their momentum. Our official score is 33-29. Time remaining 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Back to the ball game. Nubal to Aurelio. Aurelio to Nubal. Nubal attacking. Nubal. Lay. No good. Rebounded by De La Paz. De La Paz looking for his teammate. Pass to Tria. Tria running. Kick out to Brun. Brun fakes. Brun attacks. Brun. Great move. 2 points by Brun. Aurelio surveying the D. Aurelio pass to Lim. Lim to Nubal. 10 seconds to shoot. Nubal, midi. No good. De La Paz got the rebound. Bad pass. Aurelio got the ball. Aurelio dribbling. Aurelio bumps. Aurelio to Marcelo. Nice pass. 2 points for Marcelo. 4-point lead for Fratello. De La Paz to Tria. Tria to Brun. Brun back to De La Paz. De La Paz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Paz to Puante. Puante. Wing 3-pointer. No good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio running. Pass to Lim. Lim. Layup is good. 2 points. Brun from downtown. No good. Magas with the rebound. Blocked. Saved by the ball to Lim. Lim attacking. Lim. Layup no good. Got blocked again. Block party is game. Puante running. Puante attacking. Puante. Layup is good. 2 points for Puante. Nubal to Maglaki. Maglaki to Lim. Lim. 2 points. Great cut. 2-point lead for Fratello. Both teams are ready for stage 5. De La Paz to Puante. Puante to Brun. Brun, 3-pointer. No good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio. Surveying the D. Aurelio. to Marcelo. Marcelo, jumper, no good. Rebounded by Brun. Brun to De La Paz. 2v2 situation. Pass to Matias. To De La Paz again. De La Paz to Matias. Matias, no good. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo to Lim. Lim being defended by Brun. Lim to the ball fakes, the ball runs, the ball closers. Good, 2 points. Change 5. Tie game. Our official score is all 37. Time remaining in this quarter, 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Barra to Siembo. Siembo to Buate. To Maligat. Maligat fakes. Maligat blocked by Dizon. Dizon to Kobe. Castillo. To Saldimar. Back to Castillo. Castillo fakes. To Kobe. Kobe. Bad pass. Sembio. Steal by Saldimar. Castillo got the ball. Kick out to De La Paz. De La Paz. De La Paz lose the ball. Fratello ball. Sempio. To Puante. Puante back to Sempio. Sempio. To Barra. Barra being defended by Kobe. 14 seconds to shoot. Sempio. First three-pointer. No good. Gison with the rebound. Gison. Great footwork. 2 points by Gison. De La Paz. Dribbling. De La Paz to Castillo. Castillo to Kobe. On the paint. Kobe to De La Paz. De La Paz. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Kobe. Kobe. No good. Maligat with the rebound. To Sempio. 2v2 situation. Sempio attack. Sempio. Still. No foul call. De La Paz to Castillo. Castillo. 3-pointer. Good. Castillo. 1-point kick for Bahawk floating. The hamster is on the court. Sempio to Barra. Barra attacking. Barra floater. No good. Rebounded by Saldimar. Saldimar running. Saldimar attacking. Saldimar to De La Paz. De La Paz attacks. De La Paz 1-2. Layup is good for De La Paz. Puante. To Benedy. Puante to Sempio. To Barra. Barra. To Sempio again. Sempio to Puante. Puante attacking. Puante kick out to Gison. Gison. 3-pointer. No good. Castillo got the rebound. Castillo to De La Paz. De La Paz. Back to Castillo. Castillo. 3-pointer again. No good. Gison with the rebound. Gison bringing down the ball. Gison to Puante. Puante from downtown. No good. Saldimar with the rebound. De La Paz. To Kobe. Kobe to Castillo. Castillo. Kick out to De La Paz. 10 seconds to shoot. Saldimar fakes. Saldimar. Corner 3. No good. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon. 2 points. What a man is on the face. Second chance opportunity is good for Dizon. Timeout. Fratello. Official score 44-39. Bahawk floating with the lead. 5-point lead for Bahawk floating. Time remaining 1 minute and 50 seconds. Back to the ball game. Sembio, back to Puante. Puante being defended by Castillo. Puante to Barra. Para 2 points with a foul. A great cut. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Barha.
Abang.
Bonus free throw is good for Barha. 2-point lead for Bohoclo team. De La Paz to Castillo. Castillo back to the pass. De La Paz, long 3-pointer, no good. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon, 2 points. Sempio, bring down the ball to Puante. Puante, jumper, no good. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon to De La Paz. To Castillo. 3v3 situation. De La Paz, 2 points with a foul. Foul number 26. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for De La Paz. Bonus free throw is good for De La Paz. Puante. Puante to Sempio, back to Puante. Puante to Barha. Barha. Offensive foul. Number 20. Second personal foul for number 20. Correction, first personal foul, sorry. Matalo ball. Same ball. De La Paz. To Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo kick out to Zalipar. To Dizon. Dizon to Kobe. Kobe. Midi is good. 2 points. Sempio. 10 seconds. Sempio. Steal by Kobe. 5 seconds. End of the first half. Our official score is 51-42. Still in favor of Bohoclo clothing. Nine-point lead for Bohoclo clothing. Biggest lead so far for Bohoclo clothing.
Wag ka nang mawawala, baka lang maganda leke-leke mga plano. Pababa na ako sa aeroplano, pahinga lang tas balik trabaho na ulit. Di problema.
Start of the second half.
Lamig.
Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz to Tria. Tria to Gison. Gison. Back to Tria. Tria to De La Paz. De La Paz. Kick out to Brun. Corner 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Marcelo. Marcelo to Pedrano. Pedrano dribbling. Pedrano to Lim. Lim to Pedrano. Pedrano to Aurelio. Aurelio. Aurelio pass to Lim. Lim. 3-pointer, no good. Rebounded by Maglaki. Maglaki to Aurelio. Aurelio to Lim again. Lim again. 3-pointer is good for Lim. De La Paz. Surveying the lead. De La Paz to Brun. Back to De La Paz. De La Paz to Barha. Barha. Got fouled. Foul number 2. First personal foul. De La Paz to Brun to Barha. Barha fakes. Barha. Dribbling. Barha. No good. Rebounded by Pedrano. Pedrano. Marcelo got the ball. Marcelo to Aurelio. Aurelio. Jumper. Aurelio is good. Back shot. 2 points. De La Paz. Back to De La Paz. Traveling violation for De La Paz. Substitution. Puante in, Gison out. Pedrano to Lim. Lim. Out of bounds. Umilaw, sabi ni Rep. Puante to Tria, back to Puante. Puante to De La Paz. De La Paz attacks. De La Paz. 2 points. Yo-yo is good. Pedrano to Aurelio. Aurelio, 3-pointer. No good. De La Paz with the rebound. De La Paz to Puante. Puante dribbling on the ball. Puante to Barha. Barha. 3-defender with Pedrano. Barha. Offensive foul number 20. Second personal foul. Aurelio. Surveying the D. Aurelio to Lim. Lim from downtown. No good. Fratello ball. Brun bringing down the ball. Brun. Surveying the D. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz. Kick out to Puante. Puante. Jumper. Puante. No good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio running. Aurelio. Pass to Pedrano. Pedrano blocked by Brun. Correction. Puante. Pedrano to Aurelio. Aurelio. Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Aurelio. First free throw is good for Aurelio. Second free throw no good for Aurelio. Pass to Brun. Brun attacking. Loose ball. Maglaki at the ball. Pass to Pedrano. Pedrano to Aurelio. Aurelio. Layup
No good. Brun with the rebound. Brun pass to De La Paz. De La Paz. Attacking De La Paz. No point. That's how you do it by De La Paz. Pedrano, Tolim. Back to Pedrano. Pedrano. Ball pass. Theo got the ball. Pass to Puante. Puante to Tria again. Tria, 2 points. Lim, back up Aurelio. Aurelio. Aurelio to the Magari. Magari. No good. Rebounded by De La Paz. De La Paz to Brun. Brun. Layup is good for Brun. Timeout. Pok loading. Pok, lapit po kayo pag magta-timeout. Thank you. Seven-point lead for Pok loading. Our official score is 57-50. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Back to the ball game. Castillo to Lim. Lim fakes. Lim dribbling. Back to Castillo. Castillo to Nubal. Nubal. Kick out to Lim. Lim. 3-pointer. Good for Lim. Puante to Brun. Brun. Being double team. Pass to De La Paz. De La Paz. That fouled. Foul number 15. First personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws for De La Paz. First free throw no good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. Substitution. Matias in, Pohante out. Substitution, Sepio in. Barha out. Castillo to Nubal. Nubal to Kobe. Kobe, Midi, no good. Fratello ball. 10-point lead for Pook looting. Sige. Sembio to De La Paz. Back to Sembio. Sembio to De La Paz. De La Paz. On the break, no good. Kobe, rebound. Pass to Castillo. Castillo running. Castillo to Lim. Lim back to Castillo. Back to Lim. Lim, 3-pointer again, no good. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon, no good. Brun got the ball. Brun. To De La Paz, to Sembio. Sembio, wide open. 3-pointer, no good. Tria with the rebound. Easy 2 points. Nubal. Surveying Didi to Kobe. Kobe to Lim. Back to Nubal. Nubal fakes. Nubal. Sidestep. No good. Dizon rebound to Castillo. Corner three. No good. Dizon again with the rebound. No good. De La Paz. To Sembio. 2v2. Steal by Lim. Great hustle by Lim. Foul number 9. Foul number 91. First personal foul number 91. Cruz to Castillo. Castillo. Kobe versus Matias. Foul number 17. Second personal foul number 17. Third team foul, Pratelo. Nopal fakes, Nopal attacks, Nopal! 2 points! With a foul! Foul number 2. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus free throw for Nopal. Bonus free throw is good for Nopal. Sempio. Dribbling. Sempio to 3 at the Brun. Brun. Fakes. Brun. No good. Brun got the ribbon again. Brun. Floater is good. Hello. Castillo. Surveying the team. Castillo. Kick out to Nopal. Nopal, 2-pointer is good for Nopal. 2 points. Sempio to Brun. Brun. Foul number 7. First personal foul. Second team foul. Brun to Sempio. Sempio to Barha. Barha surveying the D. Barha to Gison. Gison being defended. By Nopal, still by Nopal. Nopal to Cruz. Cruz, no good. Barha. Being defended by Nopal. Barha. Dribbling. Barha. Wide open jumper, no good. Rebounded by Gobi. Pass to Castillo. Castillo running. Castillo to Gobi. Gobi on the paint. Gobi got fouled and won. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw for Arguelles. Bonus free throw is good for Kobe. Sempio to Puante. Puante to Matias. Matias blocked by Dison. Puante with the rebound. Puante to Sempio. 10 seconds to shoot. Sempio to Gison. Gison fakes. Gison! No good, but get fouled. Foul number 22. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Gison. First free throw is good for Gison. Second free throw is good for Gison. Cruz bringing down the ball. Cruz. Long three is good for Cruz. Sempio. Too much force in the pass. Turnover, Pratelo. The ball. Surveying the D. Being defended by Sempio. The ball dribbling. The ball to Cruz. Cruz to Zaldivar. Zaldivar! The Giants layer 2 points. Sempio to Matias. Matias back to Sempio. Sempio being defended by Cruz. Pass to Puante. Puante running. Puante. Floater is good for Puante. 2 points. 10 seconds. Pratelo ball. .5 seconds remaining on the clock. Matias to Puante. 5 seconds. Puante. Puante, we get it run again. End of the third quarter. We are approaching our final quarter. Our official score is 74-59. Wide margin for Bohok Loading. Start of the final quarter. De La Paz to Cruz. Cruz to Aurelio. Aurelio to De La Paz. Same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Maglaki to Cruz. Cruz to Aurelio. Aurelio. 5 seconds. Aurelio to Cruz. Cruz, three-pointer. Is good. Cruz. Three. Puante. Surveying the D. Puante to Brun. Brun to Tria. Tria. Spins. Tria. No good. Marcelo with the rebound. De La Paz. To Aurelio. Aurelio. Steal by Barra. Barra running. Barra. Attacks. Barra. Layup no good. Tria with the rebound. Tria no good. Aurelio with the rebound. Aurelio being defended by Brun. Aurelio dribbling. Aurelio crossover no good. Pass to Maglaki. Maglaki attacking. Maglaki jumper no good. Cruz with the rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz to Aurelio. Aurelio back to Cruz. Cruz. 3 points is good. Timeout. Pratelo. Hot hands for Cruz. 21-point lead for Bohok Loading. Biggest lead of the quarter. Back to the ball game. Puante, dribbling. Puante, running. Puante, attacking to De La Paz. De La Paz jumper. No good. Tria rebounded the ball. Tria got fouled. Number 19, first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for Tria. First free throw no good for Tria. Second free throw is good for Tria. 20-point lead for Bohok Loading. De La Paz to Aurelio. Aurelio. Fake steal by Brun. Tumama sa tubod. Bohok Loading ball. De La Paz. Survey na din. De La Paz dribbling. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz to Marcelo. Marcelo jumper no good. De La Paz again with the rebound. Got fouled. Foul number 91. Second personal foul number 91. First team foul. 2 free throws for De La Paz. First free throw is good for De La Paz.
Pang.
Second free throw is good for De La Paz. Both free throws are good for De La Paz. Puante to Brun. Brun, three-pointer. No good. De La Paz got the ball. De La Paz to Aurelio. Aurelio on the brain. Aurelio lays good. 2 points. Foul number 77, second personal foul. Second team foul. Our next game, Blue Ridge versus Team Asia Warriors. Puante to Brun. Brun running. Brun floater is good. Bank shot for Brun. De La Paz to Lim. Lim being defended by Puante. Lim dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim to De La Paz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Paz. Being defended by Tria. To Lim. Lim. Wide open. It's good. Lim. 3 points. Puante to Brun to Tria. Tria. King out to Puante. Puante. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by De La Paz. Paso Aurelio. Aurelio running. Aurelio. Surveying the D. Being defended Puante. Aurelio fakes. To Marcelo got blocked by De La Paz. Marcelo got the ball again, but no good. Tria with the rebound. Steal by Aurelio. Back pass by Tria. Aurelio. To Marcelo again. Marcelo. 2 points. It's good. Great pass by Aurelio. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz wide open lane. It's good. De La Paz 2 points. De La Paz. To Marcelo. Marcelo. No good. Great by Barra. Barra pass to De La Paz. De La Paz. 4v2 situation. De La Paz fakes. De La Paz. No good. De La Paz again. No good, but got fouled. Foul number 85. First personal foul number 85. 13 foul. 2 free throws for De La Paz. First free throw no good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. Lim bring down the ball. Lim to Kobe. Kobe midi. No good. Tria with the rebound. Tria bring down the ball. Tria attacking. Tria no good. Brun got the rebound. Brun wide open jumper. No good. Brun got the ball again. Brun attacks. Brun to Tria. 10 seconds to shoot. Tria. Kick out to Sempio. Sempio 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Petrano. Petrano to Aurelio. Aurelio being defended by De La Paz. Aurelio dribbling still by De La Paz. De La Paz bring down the ball. De La Paz fakes to Brun. Brun no good. Kobe with the rebound. Kobe to Lim. Lim bring down the ball. Lim layup no good. Rebounded by Gison. Gison to Tria. Tria. 3-pointer is good for Tria. Our official score is 89-68. Still in favor of Pooklo team. Petrano to Kobe. Kobe to Aurelio. Aurelio attacks. Aurelio jumper. No good. Rebounded by De La Paz. De La Paz to Sempio. Sempio running. Sempio to Brun. 1v1. Brun got fouled. Foul number 18. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. $18 seconds on the shot clock. Brun to De La Paz. De La Paz attacks. De La Paz layup no good. Tria with the rebound. Tria to Brun. Brun Corner 3 is good. Brun got his first 3 points in this quarter. Pedrano to Castillo. Castillo surveying the D. Castillo dribbling. Castillo to Kobe. Kobe to Dizon. Dizon reverse lane, no good. De La Paz got the ball. De La Paz kick out to Guzan. Gizon. Layup is good. 2 points. Same ball. .8 per ball, loading, Kobe, deep pass, 3 out to Brun. Brun wide open, lays, good. Brun, 2 points. Timeout, Brock loading, 14-point lead for Brock loading. Our official score is 89-75. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Back to the ball game. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano to Kobe. Kobe. Back to Pedrano. Deep pass. Gizon got the ball. Pass to Brun. Brun. Running to De La Paz. De La Paz fakes. Back to Brun. Brun banks it in. Easy shot. 2 points for Brun. 12-point lead for Brock Loading. Castillo. To Kobe. 14 seconds to shoot. Kobe on the paint. Kobe. 2 points for Kobe. Sembio. Serving the D. Sembio dribbling. Sembio to Brun. Brun to De La Paz. Back to Sembio. Sembio to Tria. Tria. To pass. Same ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Nubal in. Kobe out. Brun to Sembio. Sembio. Sembio fake. Sembio to De La Paz. 5 seconds. Tria. Jumper is good for Tria. Top of the key 2-pointer for Tria. Castillo. To the ball. Last 2 minutes. The ball. 5 seconds. Pedrano. Long 3-pointer. No good. Dizon with the rebound. Dizon in the paint. No good. De La Paz get the ball. Brun. Same ball. Substitution. Point lead for Brock Loading. Official score is 79-91. Time remaining 1 minute and 38 seconds. Sempio attacks to De La Paz. De La Paz waits. De La Paz on the paint. De La Paz, no good. De La Paz to Brun. Brun wide 3-pointer is good for Brun. 9-point lead for Brock Loading. Castillo being defended by Sempio. Sempio to Lim. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Lim back to Castillo. 10 seconds. Castillo dribbling. Castillo jumper. No good. Lim with the rebound. No good. Kobe with the front back is good. Brun running. Brun attacking. Brun layup is good. 2 points. Nubal, dribbling. 14 seconds. Nubal being given by Gizon. Nubal. Floater, no good. Gizon with the rebound. Top of the key 2-pointer. Gizon on the paint is a menace. Timeout. Puertelo. 11-point lead for Brock Brock Loting, official score 95-84. Time remaining 47.4 seconds remaining on this final quarter. Back to the ball game. By the way, our next game is Financial Warriors versus Blue Ridge. 10 seconds. Sambio to Boon. 3-pointer no good. Kobe with the rebound. Kobe to Castillo to Lim. Lim back to Castillo. Back to Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. Lim. Fakes. Lim drives. Lim. No good. Kobe with the rebound. 5 seconds. Kobe no good. Sambio got the ball. Sambio wide open lane is good. 2 points for Sambio. 11.8 seconds remaining. 9-point lead. 5 seconds remaining. End of the final quarter. Our final score, 95-86. Brock Loting got the W again. Great game for both teams. But before we head home, picture po muna tayo sa gitna.